Hello, dear students. Myself, Meena Labde, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Department of Mathematics, Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde, Mahavidyalaya, Srigonda District, Ahmednagar. This college is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. This year, our university has revised syllabus of various faculties in science and technology. So let us see how to download the syllabus of SYBSC Mathematics. So go to any browser of your system and type university's official website www.unipune.ac.in. Enter. So this is the official website of Pune University. So in that case, click on syllabi. Now you require syllabus which is revised from the academic year 2020. So click on this. We are under Faculty of Science and Technology. So click on Science. Choose the course Sciences, and in that you will get syllabus of various courses. So we should search where is our SYBSC Mathematics. So this is SYBSC Mathematics. Click on it. Download it on your system. Save it. So this is your syllabus of SYBSC Mathematics. Now let us discuss on syllabus of SYBSC Mathematics. So these are the aims to introduce this syllabus. So we should go through it. Let's discuss on the objectives of introducing this syllabus. So main objective is a student should be able to recall basic facts about mathematics, and he should be able to display knowledge of conventions such as notation, terminology, and he should recognize basic geometrical figures and graphical display. Also, he should state important facts resulting from their studies. Also, students should get a relational understanding of mathematical concepts and concern structure, and he should be able to follow patterns involved in mathematical reasoning. Students should get adequate exposure to global and local concerns that explore the many aspects of mathematical sciences. The next objective is that a student be able to apply their skill and knowledge, and he should use his knowledge in appropriate mathematical formulae or technique in order to process the information and draw the relevant conclusion. So a student should be aware of history of mathematics, its past, present and future role as a part of our culture. So these are the objectives of syllabus of SYBSC Mathematics. So let us see the structure of course. So in first year you have completed semester 1 and semester 2. Now in this year you have to complete semester 3 and semester 4 of Bachelor of Science. In semester 3 there are two theory papers, paper 1 and paper 2, and based on theory paper 1 and 2 there will be a practical course. So theory paper 1 is compulsory, and which is calculus of several variable. For theory paper 2 there are two options. One is numerical methods and its application, and second one is graph. So out of these two courses student have to choose any one. In semester 4 there will be paper 1 which is linear algebra, and that is compulsory subject, and for paper 2 again there are two options, paper vector calculus and dynamical system. So student have to choose one course out of these two courses, and based on theory paper 1 and 2 there will be a practical course. So let us discuss about on examination pattern of SYBSC Mathematics. So standard passing criteria. So to pass subject theory paper, so theory and practical paper, student should student should get minimum 20 marks out of 50 marks for each paper. So as the pattern of examination is 35 plus 15, so out of 35 for theory papers, student should obtain minimum 14 marks, and the total of internal and theory paper should be 20 for passing. The pattern of question paper for theory paper is, so question 1 is a short answer question, and there are 7 options, and student have to choose. So student have to attempt any 5 out of 7. The question number 2 and question number 3 are same. So in question number 2 there will be 4 options, and student have to attempt any 2 each of 5 marks. Question 3 there are 4 options, student have to attempt any 2 each of 5 marks. And question 4, in question 4 again there are 2 options, and student have to attempt any 2, but each question will be of 10 marks. So total marks are 10, 10, 10, 5. So total are 35 marks. So this is the relevance of previous syllabus along with the new syllabus. So these are the new courses and these are the old courses. So in below that the detailed syllabus is given. So semester 3 the course will theory paper 1 will be calculus of several variable, and these units are there. So in FIBSC we have studied calculus 1 and calculus 2. So in that we have studied limit, continuity, differentiability of functions of one variable. Now in this semester and in this course we are going to see limit, continuity, differentiability of functions of more than one independent variable. After that we will see extreme values and multiple integrals of functions of more than one independent variable, and paper second will be numerical methods and its application. So the detailed syllabus is given, and I am going to take this course first, numerical methods and its application. So just see the textbook and reference book and go through it. So in the next lecture we will start this paper, numerical methods and its application. Thank you.